front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is open Settings and tap on Personalization to hit Online at the top. Then select any theme you want by tapping on Themes at the bottom, selecting one of those, tapping on one of those options, or clicking on the search bar and typing in whatever you want to. Then hit a perfect theme. Select Download, hit Start, log in to your account. Tap on Download one more time and hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing Settings one more time, hitting Personalization, selecting My Themes and tapping on one of those default ones. When you're finished, hit Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!